In this video, I will explain a method to draw an ellipse using an equation. So you will need a calculator and a ruler for measurements. The main concept of this method is finding points along the circumference of the ellipse by substituting in an equation with x values to calculate the y value for each x, then connecting those points manually by hand to form the ellipse. You may think that's a lot of work to do, but actually we only need to calculate 4 or 5 points to draw the full ellipse. I will explain how that's possible. But first, let's take a look at the equation, and then I will show you how to use it to draw the ellipse. The equation of an ellipse centered at the origin point is x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared equal 1, where a is half the length of the major axis, and b is half the length of the minor axis. Now let's isolate y to create a formula we can easily use. So this is the final equation that we are going to use. Now let's try using this equation on the following example. Draw an ellipse with a major axis of length 10 centimeters and a minor axis of length 5 centimeters. The first step is to draw the major axis of length 10 centimeters. Then, in the middle of the major axis, draw the minor axis of length 5 centimeters, perpendicular to the major axis. Now, starting from the center point of the ellipse, use the ruler to mark off 1 centimeter parts along the major axis. Mark the other side as well. Those points are enough, but I prefer adding an extra point here, where x equals 4.5. Now draw a perpendicular line at each of those points. Use any method you prefer to draw the perpendicular lines. Now we will use the equation to calculate the y value, when x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.5. Here is the y values after substituting in the equation. For the first point, when x equals 1, y equals 2.45. Use the ruler to measure a distance of 2.45 centimeters along the first line where x equal 1. Now for the second point, y equals 2.3. Now we don't need the calculator anymore, because we've finished all the calculations we need. The ellipse is symmetric in all 4 quadrants, so the y values we calculated for the first quadrant will be used for the other 3 quadrants as well. Now we have enough points to draw the ellipse. All you have to do now is connect those points smoothly by hand to form the ellipse. Or alternatively, you can use a flexible curve or a French curve to connect the points. And that's it. Your ellipse is complete. As you can see, using the equation makes the process very accurate, even with just a few calculated points. You can try this method with different axis lengths and see how the ellipse shape changes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, consider leaving a like, and let me know in the comments if there's another geometric shape or drawing technique you'd like me to cover in a future video. See you in the next one.